So now we are in closet page. In this page, it's all about your outfit and how you put together different kinds of outfit. So the top line over here, this is called a quote, as you can see here. If you want to give it a different feel to it, you just highlight it, and let's do a quote. Let's see how that looks. Nice. It's really nice. It's like really sweet and simple. You can even highlight it, and let's do purple. Let's see how that looks. Ooh, that's really nice. You can even write your own favorite celebrities quotes, or like Coco Chanel quote, like stylish quote or inspirational quote to improve your style or something like that. Yeah, so that's that. So now over here you can either put your entire outfit like OOTD. That's the new thing right now, right? So you can put that in this picture, and you can break down your different items that you're wearing. Like you can put your top or your pants, earrings, shoes. It's that simple. Like we have over here Priyanka Chopra's outfit. She's wearing this really pretty jumpsuit. I really like the ruffles over here. Really nice and really simple. It's not too much or anything. It's like your OOTD, really sweet and short, and your hoops and your shoes. Really nice. It's really nice. It's really sweet and straightforward. I really like that about this breakdown. It's really nice for bloggers, and yeah. So let's head back to magazine, and let's do hairstyle. For bloggers, I am myself a blogger, a YouTuber actually, but I do really like to write a lot, and I sometimes come up with hair mask and hair serums that I really like to mix ingredients like magic potion, and come up with different hair masks. So it's really nice to share all those tips and secrets with your audience, because they follow you for how your hair looks and how your skin looks, right? So hair care, you can even change this to skincare, let's say. Skincare. It's really that simple. So I'm going to change it back to hair care, and over here you can change the ingredients list, like 1 table of coconut oil, and if you have the link to a particular product, it's like one over here it's written 1 table of aloe vera. So if you're using a particular aloe vera that is like sold in only one particular website, you can take the link of that particular website. Let's do Amazon. Let's just do Amazon. I'm just going to type in aloe vera, and let's do this. Yes, pack of 2 for $2.88. That's a great deal actually. So I'm going to copy the link, come back here, and just highlight this, and there's a link here. So when you link to page, so I'm going to close this so that you guys can see. Now when I hover over it, there's a link. So when you click on that, your audience can see that you use this specific product for your hair. So it's really that simple. It's like a description box under a YouTube video, so it's like that. It's really nice. You can help them out with a particular product that you use, so yeah.